Ever wondered how to make money on YouTube using AI? If so, you're in the right place. This video is all about harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to create captivating YouTube content and turn it into a profitable venture. First things first, let's decode the essentials of YouTube monetization. It's no secret that creating engaging content is the key to success on this platform. YouTube rewards creators who keep viewers glued to their screens. The longer the watch time, the more ad revenue you pocket. But how do you create content that keeps viewers hooked? This is where artificial intelligence enters the scene. AI can help generate creative and unique content, freeing up your time and energy to focus on other aspects of your YouTube channel. AI video editors, for instance, can take your raw footage and transform it into polished, professional content. These tools analyze your video, identify the best parts, and stitch them together seamlessly. And it doesn't stop there. AI script generators can whip up engaging scripts based on your video's topic, ensuring your content is always on point. But creating great content is only half the battle. You also need to optimize your AI-generated videos for YouTube's algorithm. This means using SEO strategies to make your videos more discoverable. Think carefully about your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Make them keyword-rich but also compelling enough to make users click. And let's not forget thumbnails. These are the first thing viewers see, so make them count. AI can help here too. AI thumbnail generators can create eye-catching thumbnails, giving your videos the best chance of being noticed. Once your content is up and running, it's time to turn your attention to audience growth. The larger your audience, the more opportunities you have for monetization. Encourage viewers to subscribe and share your content. This helps boost your visibility and attract new viewers. Finally, take advantage of YouTube's monetization features. Aside from ad revenue, you can also earn money through channel memberships and merchandise shelves. These provide additional income streams and help diversify your earnings. In summary, using AI for YouTube video creation and monetization involves a three-step process. First, use AI to create engaging content. Second, optimize this content for YouTube's algorithm. And third, grow your audience and leverage YouTube's monetization features. Embrace the power of AI and unlock new opportunities for your YouTube channel. It's time to transform your content creation process and reap the rewards. Remember, the future of YouTube is AI, and it's already here.